Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can stop the Brave browser from blocking websites you would like to access through it. So let us get started. So guys, what you will need to do is access the Brave browser on a desktop computer or laptop and click on these three lines here in the top right corner, customize and control Brave, and select settings from that drop down menu. Here inside your account or browser settings, guys, make sure that you head over to privacy and security here on the left hand side. And here under privacy and security, make sure that you click into security here. And last but not least, make sure that you decide for yourselves if you'd like to disable or enable the safe browsing data. If you select, for example, not protection, which is expressively not recommended, guys, you will be able to stop the Brave browser from blocking you to access these websites, guys. So that's the only option, guys, how you can bypass this. I hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.